Okay, I have all my data, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check these, and I want to make sure that there's at least one in each of those. So I'm going to start on my last one here. I'm just going to delete it, and you can see it changes. And I'm just going to do that. I'm just going all the way along. As you can see, I'm deleting them. And I'm not really, okay, so I've got no cats. So actually I need to go back a bit. And there you go. So there I've got at least one of each of them. And then I just go to the next one and I do the same for that. Now there are a lot on this one. Hopefully in your journal there won't be as many, but it'll be a good practice to just go through and make sure you know what I mean. So there's only one bird there. Now if I delete that bird, there's going to be none. See, if I delete, it's going to go to 0. So you just push Ctrl Z and it's back, and there you go. So just keep deleting till 1, 0 and then undo that and it should come back. Otherwise press the back arrow at the top of the screen that you can't see on my screen. Once you've done that a whole lot of times, you will have something like this. So there's all my numbers of dogs, cats, fish. I've actually added another one there. I've just used a sum. So sum from the beginning to the end, the whole thing. Well, just from all those. So I only needed 4 animals that time, and I've gone all the way down and I've deleted them all, and at the end I had 568 animals that I bought all together out of 50 trials. So it's just all of those. I don't know why it's not showing the right thing, but this value, 568 divided by 50, which gives me 11.36. So on average, I'd need to buy 11.36 animals per visit to the pet shop to get at least 1 cat, 1 dog, 1 fish, and 1 bird. Easily done.